It's time for a Blaine Primary 3B's assembly with Mr. Robinson and Ms. Laurie. Hi, Blaine Primary.
Primary.
We miss you all, and we wanted you to know that we have you in our thoughts and in our hearts.
So we thought it would be good to have a 3B's assembly.
You can do the 3B's at home. Let's see how it works. The first 3B is be safe. Being safe means washing your hands often each day. You can take a squirt of soap, have the water running, and sing your favorite song. You could sing a song to Mary Had a Little Lamb, except change the words. So here's the words I use. Wash your hands till they are clean. They are clean. They are clean. Wash your hands till they are clean, and then the job is done. Wash all the soap off in the running water, and then make sure you have a dry towel to wipe your hands on. Being safe and cleaning your hands makes sure we don't spread germs.
Be safe by using a tissue to wipe and blow your nose.
Being safe means sneezing into your sleeve and then using a tissue to wipe your nose. That way we can keep germs from spreading to others.
Be safe with walking feet. We always use walking feet when we are inside.
You are being helpful when you use your safe walking feet inside your home. Be safe.
The next 3B is be respectful.
I'm having trouble with this math problem. I just don't understand the points.
Oh, I can understand how frustrating that would be. Have you tried emailing the teacher about it?
No, I haven't yet.
Oh, maybe give that a try. He might have some good ideas about how you can solve that problem.
Yeah, okay.
Being respectful means listening to somebody with your whole body and showing them that you care. The next time somebody's talking to you, make sure you're showing them respect and listening to them.
Be respectful by using kind and polite words with your family, including manners. Saying those kind words, please and thank you, help people to feel good, including yourself. Remember the golden rule. Treat people the way you want to be treated. That's being respectful.
So whose turn is it to go first?
I think it's my turn.
I thought it was my turn.
Let's do rock, paper, scissors.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Paper beats rock. Okay, you can go first. Being respectful means playing by the rules and playing fair. Playing fair can mean letting somebody else have a turn to go first or choose the game. So the next time you're playing with family members, make sure that you're being fair and being respectful. The third 3B is be responsible.
Be responsible by helping around the house with chores and cleanup. Maybe you could put away the silverware. You could help sweep the floor. It feels good to be responsible and help out. If you see a chore that needs to be done, pitch in and help. Be responsible.
Being responsible means doing the work that your teacher has assigned with a good attitude, whether it's posted online or sent home in a packet. If you don't know what to do, make sure you ask your adults at home. If they don't know what to do, they can message the teacher. How's it going, guys?
Good.
Pretty good. Need any help?
I don't think so.
You know what to do? Okay. You can be responsible by making sure you do the work that's been assigned and ask for help when you need it.
Be responsible at home by listening and following directions the first time you are asked. Keep your body still. Look at the person speaking. And when they're done, give a little nod of your head or say okay so that they know you've heard. And then do it right away with a good attitude. Being responsible at home is easy.
So, Blaine Primary Borderites, remember to be safe
Be respectful
and be responsible.
at home and everywhere.
Let's do our Blaine Primary School cheer with Ms. Akers.
How do, little Blaine Borderites? This is Mrs. Akers coming from her Western Room home music studio, and I thought what better way to bring us all together than to do our school cheer. Yay! So bring the family in, see if you can echo along with us, and we'll teach it to you, and it's our way of saying we care about you all.
We are the Borderites, mighty, mighty Borderites. How do we know it? How do we show it? Tell you how we know it. This is how we show it. We make new friends and we play safe. Oh, we use our brains to create and grow. Oh, move to the beat, stay healthy and strong. Lifelong learners, sing along. Hey! Boom, ch, boom, boom. Boom, ch, boom, boom. We are the Borderites, mighty, mighty Borderites. How do we know it? How do we show it? Tell you how we know it. This is how we show it. Be safe, respectful, be responsible. Now just be safe, respectful, be responsible. Now
Up high.
be safe, respectful, be responsible. Now go! Blaine Borderites, yeah!
Have a good day!
If you have a concern about your child's social, emotional, or academic learning, please feel free to reach out to their teacher or contact Craig Robinson, Blaine Primary School Counselor, by email at crobinson@blainesd.org or by phone at 360-303-0698. Have a great day.